Jumping jacks. The simple yet effective exercise that has been a staple in fitness routines for decades. It's the kind of exercise that seems so basic, so easy, yet when done in repetition, it can leave you breathless, heart pounding, and sweat dripping down your face. I remember the first time I attempted jumping jacks. I was in elementary school during gym class, surrounded by my classmates, all of us clad in our matching gym uniforms. The teacher instructed us to start with jumping jacks, and I remember feeling a mix of excitement and nervousness. I had seen jumping jacks before, but I had never actually done them myself. As I started to jump and clap my hands overhead, I quickly realized just how intense jumping jacks could be. My heart rate shot up, my breath quickened, and I could feel the burn in my muscles. But despite the challenge, there was something exhilarating about the movement, about the feeling of my body working hard. Over the years, jumping jacks became a regular part of my fitness routine. Whether I was at home, in the gym, or even just taking a quick break at work, I would often find myself doing jumping jacks. It was a quick and efficient way to get my heart rate up, to break a sweat, and to feel energized. And the benefits of jumping jacks were undeniable. Not only did they help increase my heart rate and burn fat, but they also improved my coordination, agility, and endurance. I could feel my muscles getting stronger, my stamina increasing, and my overall fitness level improving. But beyond the physical benefits, there was something almost meditative about jumping jacks. The rhythmic movement, the sound of my feet hitting the ground, the feeling of my body in motion. It was a moment of focus and clarity in the midst of a busy day. It was a moment where I could push aside my worries and distractions and just be present in my body. Jumping jacks became more than just an exercise for me. They became a symbol of resilience, of pushing through challenges, of embracing discomfort in pursuit of growth. Every time I felt my heart racing and my muscles burning during jumping jacks, I knew that I was pushing myself to be better, stronger, healthier. So, as I stand here now, years after that first gym class, I still find myself coming back to jumping jacks. They may be a simple exercise, but their impact on my physical and mental well-being is profound. And as I jump and clap my hands overhead, I am reminded once again of the power of this humble yet mighty exercise.